Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Solana from Robinhood to Trust Wallet for better control and security. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with Solana in it and a Trust Wallet app installed on your phone or device. Trust Wallet is a popular choice because it's user-friendly and supports a ton of cryptocurrencies, including Solana. If you haven't already, download it from your app store and create a wallet if needed. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Navigate to your portfolio and find your Solana holdings. Tap on it to select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, in 2025, Robinhood might have updated interfaces, but the core process should be similar. Always double-check for any new fees or limits. Next, head over to Trust Wallet. Open the app and go to the Solana Wallet section. This is where you'll generate or import your wallet address. Tap on Receive to display your Solana address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid errors. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network. For Solana, it's just the Solana network, no confusing chains here. Now, back in Robinhood, go to the Transfer or Withdraw section. Paste the Trust Wallet address you copied, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and review the transaction details. Fees might vary, so keep an eye on that. Solana transactions are usually pretty cheap and fast. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Once you approve it, your Solana should be on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to show up in Trust Wallet, depending on network congestion in 2025. One last thing. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check for typos in the address or contact Robinhood support. There you have it. That's how you send Solana from Robinhood to Trust Wallet in 2025. This gives you more flexibility with your assets, so go ahead and try it out. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.